Yo, it's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, today, man, we are gonna react to Janine Berdine performs her song, What If I Miss You for the Rest of My Life, live on Wish 107.5 Buzz. Sobrang tagal yun ang nire-request to, no? I mean, hindi naman sobrang tagal, pero I mean, it's been a week, no? And lagi ko siya nakakalimutan kasi sobrang dami nating backlogs, no? Ng mga requests. I just want to apologize. I'm slacking, you know? So, you know, I'm trying to scroll down and check, you know, mga requests na hindi ko nabasa or mga requests na nabasa ko pero nakalimutan ko because may natabunan siya ng, you know, ng mga requests na mas marami. So, again, this is one of those requests. And tell you honestly, itong video ni Janine Berdine na to sa Wish, lagi siyang lumalabas sa For You page ko, no? And every time na I'm planning to shoot a reaction, lagi ko siyang naiisip na, okay, someone requested this, so I'm gonna react to it now. Tapos nakakalimutan ko, no? So nakakaasar. But ngayon, sinigurado ko, ito yung pinakaunang video na i-shoot ko today. So sinigurado ko talaga na nauunahin ko to para hindi ko makalimutan, no? And it's Janine Berdine, man. Janine Berdine, so we're already expecting that this is gonna be a fucking beautiful song. So, without further ado, man, I'm really excited. Let's get it.
Wish 107.5.
How could I forget your pretty face? When you go to places, do you think of me? Please think of me. A year has passed and I thought I've moved on. I admit you want now, please come back to me. Won't you come back to me? People come and go sometimes.
Yung boses si Janine Berdine, no? Chef's kiss.
People come and go sometimes. Call me your favorite one last time. I'll never get to find no one like you. You were all I wanted. You were all I need. Us is all I'll be. People come and go sometimes. Call me your favorite one last time, 'cause I have swallowed all my pride, accepted the end of you, and I would
Oh, this is gonna hit, no? Maraming mga taong tatamaan nito, no? Dahil tatamaan nito. It's like parang same siya sa The One That Got Away, you know, yung parang meaning ng kanta, no? But you're still so in love to that person.
end of you, and I my pride, accepted the end of you, and I would what if I miss you for the rest of my life.
Oh man, her voice,
Where do I
getting
go
goosebumps.
from here? I
Oh my fucking god. I'm sorry, I feel like that's the most beautiful performance or vocal performance na narinig ko sa Wish 107.5. I'm sorry. Wow. Like the emotion. I need to bring it back. Wow. Like you can actually feel the song, you know, because dahil sa emotion ng na nilalagay niya sa vocals niya. Like I mean, wala na kayong dalawa but you're still so in love. You know, na nilalabanan mo yung sarili mo. You actually feel it sa boses niya. Like, what the fuck?
Where do I go from
Oh my god.
How could I forget your pretty face when you go to places? Do you think of me? Please think of me.
Wish Exclusive on Wish 107.5.
What the fuck, man?
Hi, Wishers! This is Janine Berdine for more Wish-clusive videos.
Don't hi me. After mo gawin yung performance na yun, na parang pangiti-ngiti ka, I feel sad now. Parang na-absorb ko yung feeling, no? Dun sa kanta. Dawin niya kinanta yun. Tapos sasabihin mo sa hi, Wishers! Like, hindi mo ako binigyan ng parang kalungkutan, no? Na hindi naman sana ako malungkot ngayong araw. What the fuck, man? Alright, that is Janine Berdine at Wish 107.5 Bus performs her song, What If I Miss You for the Rest of My Life. Oh man, that is my favorite Wish 107.5 Bus performance. I'm so fucking blown away. Okay. That is our reaction for today. Di ko na masabi ko anong gusto kong sabihin. See, I mean, if you want me to react, I cannot speak. If you want me to react to more of Janine Berdine, man, this beautiful girl with beautiful voice, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it, and that's it for me today. See you on the next vid. You guys stay awesome.